In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to switch from Wix Editor to Wix Studio. So transitioning from the traditional Wix Editor to Wix Studio requires creating a new site within the Wix Studio platform as direct migration isn't supported. So here's how you can make the switch. Firstly, access the Wix Studio. For that, search this URL on your any browser and the URL is wix.com/studio. Once you're on this website, tap on Start Creating and log in using your existing Wix credentials. And here you will find this Wix Studio website. So we just need to tap on Create New Site and here rebuild your site. Within Wix Studio, initiate a new project. Utilize the advanced design features and tools to recreate your site's content and design. Ensure all functionalities such as e-commerce setups or contact forms are properly configured. Next, finalize and publish. Preview your newly built site to confirm everything appears and operates as intended. Once satisfied, publish your site directly from the Wix Studio. So this was the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.